welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Meg, and today I'm showing you this makeup tutorial perfect for Valentine's Day. Alright you guys, so I'm so excited to share this eye makeup tutorial with you. I also show you my lips, and I'm obsessed with this lip color, by the way. I think I saw Jay Kissa. She did a video, I think it was like full face of YouTubers' favorite products that she bought. And I think it was her video that this NYX pencil was mentioned, but I'm like in love with it. It's like my ideal perfect type of nude lip. But anyways, I'm just a little too excited about this lip liner. So this look, I got all inspiration. I basically just recreated the same look Carissa Pukas did. I just added like a different color than her. It's like the same damn tutorial. But if you wanted to check her video out, it was like a get ready with me part of her Vlogmas. And I love her channel. If you guys aren't subscribed, be sure to check her out. She just has such positive energy about her. I love watching her videos. It's definitely some rose gold vibes to it. So if you would like to see how I got this eye look, then let's jump right into it.
So of course I'm using my Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette, and the first transition shade that I'm using is the MFEO shade, and I'm just going to put this all over into my crease. I also like to do a V shape in the outer corner of my eye, and I also bring it up pretty close to my brow bone. Moving right along to deepen up the crease, I am taking Buns first, and then I'm going to add Mocha on top of it. I'm going to blend this pretty generously into my crease. Again, I'm just not going to bring it up quite as high as that first transition shade. And by the way, I'm using a Real Techniques 201 blending brush. It's my favorite blending brush. Another important step to this look, and basically any makeup look, is blending. So in between steps, I am going to be taking this huge fluffy brush that's clean, and I'm just going to blend, blend, blend so everything looks flawless and seamless. And again with Mocha, it's basically the same procedure here. We're just not going to blend it up quite as high. The lighter the colors, the more you blend. The darker the colors, the more you keep it true to the crease. The next two up are Central Perk and Abyss. Unfortunately, Central Perk doesn't blend as easily as the other shadows, so it makes it a little bit trickier to work with, but that's okay. So now I'm taking more of an oval shaped brush, and I'm concentrating this on the outer third of my eye only. As you guys can see, I'm not bringing it all the way in, and I'm also putting it on the lid of my eye. Now here is where it can get dangerous real quick anytime you're working with a black shadow. So just use patting motions, and then just a really flawless blend is going to be key to having this look seamless. Now the key is to blend, blend, blend until your wrist falls off, like quite literally. I think I spent close to 7 minutes probably blending my shadow. And honestly, that's the key to these looks. Blending is your best friend. Here I just really wanted to showcase to you guys what a good blend does to your shadow, and this is kind of what we're looking for, and I decided I wasn't done, so I'm gonna blend some more. On to the cut crease part of this look, I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and this is in the shade Fair. A little bit of this goes such a long ways, and you want to make sure you're using a really stiff flat brush or a concealer brush or like a smaller eyeshadow brush like I'm using. So what I'm doing is looking where the line of my lid is, like where it actually meets my crease, and that's kind of where I'm starting off. This is super intimidating, but as you guys can see, I just slightly looked up and the concealer transferred, so I know that that's a really good mark for carving out the cut crease. This is a half cut crease, so we're not going to go all the way across the lid, but you totally could if you wanted to. And this is going to make it so when you have your eyes open, the slightest bit of that concealer is going to be peeking through. Now I'm going to go in with In Light, and I'm just going to put that in the very inner corner because I wanted a gradient, and then as you guys can see, this is what the concealer looks like blended out. So I'm just putting that in the very inner part of my lid space. Now I am reaching for my ColourPop Super Shock Shadow in the shade Catnip. This is probably like my favorite eyeshadow color ever. It's so beautiful. It's metallic rose gold. It's absolutely gorgeous. You get the best payoff with your finger, so that's how I'm applying it. I'm going to concentrate the most color and deposit that on the outer part of my eye. and then I'm going to pick up less and less as I get to the inner corner, because like I just mentioned, you definitely want to have a gradient with this look, or at least that's what I did, because I thought it just looked really nice and pretty. You can also go in with a brush if you want to be super precise with placing the shadow and use it wet. I just prefer to use my finger. Done! Now we are using the product that is going to be the showstopper for this look. This is a Stila Magnificent Metals in Kitten Karma. It's rose gold. These are so gorgeous, so worth the money. If you haven't checked them out, I highly recommend you do. And I just applied this with an eyeliner brush. I was concentrating so hard, I went out of frame. But as you guys can see, I just put that right on the edge of where my concealer, my cut crease ended. It's time to give our lower lash line some love to balance this look out. So I'm going back in with Mocha and I'm just blending this on my lower lash line. You can smoke this out as much as you want to, but I do like to connect it back to my crease. And then to darken it up to my lashes, I'm going back in with Central Perk. And that is going to be a wrap for the eyeshadows. For mascara, I use Maybelline The Falsies Push Up Angel Mascara first on my upper lashes, and then for volume, I take the Maybelline Colosso Big Shot. This is a Shayla one on top of that. And then for my lower lashes, I really love the MAC Cosmetics Extended Play Giga Black Mascara. It does amazing things for my lower lashes. I also topped off with my Ardell Demi Wispy Lashes. Alright you guys, here's the damn lip pencil I wouldn't shut up about in the intro of my video. This is a NYX Slide On Glide On Nude Suede Shoes Pencil. Like I said, it's my new perfect nude. I don't know why I struggle to find a good nude that I love, but I'm so happy I came across this in Kathleen's video. I'm just going to wear it by itself. It looks absolutely gorgeous with a gloss on top of it, and obviously you can put lipstick on top if you want. But I just decided to go for it by itself on its own. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. I hope you have an amazing Valentine's Day if you're doing something. If you're not doing something, even though I'm married, I'm probably going to be sitting at home not doing anything because I personally don't care that much about Valentine's Day. But let me know in the comments down below what you're up to. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye guys!